We all love duck fat roast potatoes, but this Christmas, try my duck fat roast potatoes with a twist. These are my spiced, smashed duck fat roast potatoes. Here I've just got 1 kilogram of Desiree potatoes. I've left the skins on because they get beautiful and crispy. Now I've just parboiled these until they're just soft. To the pot, we're gonna add some spices. We're spicing it up this Christmas. Here I've got some smoked paprika, some ground coriander, and ground cumin. A good pinch of salt and some pepper. And then of course, the Luv-a-Duck duck fat. We'll just pour all of that on. Then all I want to do is just do a bit of a Christmas boogie and just shake that. Now I did say smash potatoes. Smash, smash, smash. I've got the oven at 200 degrees. We're gonna pop them in for about half an hour or until these are super crispy, crunchy, and delicious. You won't be pouting and you will not be crying with these spiced, smashed duck fat roast potatoes. This is the part that's gonna take these to a whole nother level. Another pinch of salt. Then I've got some sour cream. And then I've got some chives that we've just chopped up. Now you get one of these and go for it. Merry Christmas. See you later. Bye.